Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to discuss hash function methods. So here we are concerned about what exactly goes into the calculation of a hash function. So we said that in a hash function, we give the key value or pass the key value as a parameter to a hash function, and the hash function will calculate using that key value and then return the address or hash value or hash code. Right? Now, how exactly does that happen? There are a few methods that are listed in your syllabus. The first one is the division, and it's also called modulo division. So here is an example of how modulo division works. Okay, so here is our hash function. Okay, so and here is the key value. For example, 521 is the key value. So when I pass 521 into my hash function, it computes the return value as 521 modulo 5. So this 5 here is constant in the sense that it is the size of this table. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 buckets. Therefore, the size of this table is 5. So in that sense, for all the computations, this 5 is kind of constant. So when I pass 521 as parameter to my hash function, it calculates 521 modulo 5. So what does that mean? 521 mod 5 is nothing but you divide 521 by 5 and calculate the remainder. So we are interested only in the remainder. Okay. So here 5 goes 104 times 520, and therefore the remainder is 1. So I get a remainder of 1 as the computation. To that I add plus 1. So whatever result I get, I'm always going to add plus 1 here, so that I get values from 1 through 5. If you don't add plus 1, then you get values from 0 through 4. Okay, so because I'm counting from 1 through 5, I'm going to add plus 1 to my result, to all the results, so that I can get values from 1 through 5. Okay, so here we got as a result of the hash function, we got the address value as 2. Therefore, we have indexed into 2, and we found the key value is 521 and the data associated with that key value. So this is how the hash will search. So it's a direct indexing method. Right? Now I'm going to show another example. For example, if the key value is 523, then the hash function will calculate 523 mod 5. So what is that? So 523 mod 5 means you divide 523 by 5 and find the remainder. So it goes 104 times is 520, and the remainder is 3. Like the previous one, I'm going to add plus 1 to 3 so that my index value will result in from 1 through 5. So when I add 1, I get 4. So here is so the hash function has indexed to this bucket with index value 4, and there we find that we have the key value and the data associated with it. So with the key value, we have indexed into the correct location. All right. So this is your division or modulo division method. Okay. Thank you.